Alright, so on the Glock 19 kit, it comes numbered in order how you supposed to go, and it does have 1, 2, 3, 4 slots. Four for your magazine. So the first part, number 1, is the rear grip. So rear grip, I'm going to, and some people use the knife kind of to take it off. I'm just go ahead and take off that one. And line it up for me. So now, push it and slide it through. So now what I'm going to do is, got my heat going over there. Kind of get the heat on it, help it kind of bend, flex. You can see we got it on there, so we just kind of want to get some heat on it. Help it mold, and there we go. See that heat kind of helps it. And I got like a little piece caught up here, so I can just take my knife and lift that up. Alright, so I'm going to take some more little heat on here. Yeah, you starting to see when I put the heat on it, I can see the grooves start to show up. So I'm going to take the sponge and just kind of press it in. Now yeah, showing up pretty good. Good. And as you put a little bit more heat on, you can kind of see everything. I don't know how well you can see that. The gun point. So how well you can see that, but yeah, the rear is coming in pretty good. One more time. So yeah, pretty decently got that rear on there. So let's go to part 2. All right, so here at Fitty and Tactical, we're trying to give you good quality content, especially for new shooters, people that may be underrepresented in the community. So if these videos are helpful or informational, like and subscribe. Just kind of help grow the channel. That's what we're trying to do, is grow, get to as many people as possible. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. All right, you guys stay safe.